Once you are using Intercompany Integration Solution for SAP Business One, there is a report called Unposted Intercompany Transactions Report that helps users to identify transactions that were not yet posted in the receiver company. Those transactions would be journal vouchers created as a result of a GL allocation or interbranch marketing documents. So let me show you the following. I have already created an AP invoice inside of my branch number 1. As we can see here, is going to be a AP service type invoice, and I have the open allocation option available for me. Now I'm going to create an allocation from my branch number 1 to my head office. By selecting the line, I will be able to include here head office. Now I'm going to include an amount that is going to be allocated from my branch number 1 to my head office, and I'm going to press allocate. Allocation cannot be changed once created. Do you want to continue? Yes. Allocation document created successfully. So now if I go to the last journal entry created under financials, journal entry, I will be able to see that an allocation created from my branch number 1 to my head office has been posted in my branch number 1. So let's consider the following scenario. Now it's the end of the day and branch number 1 wants to find out if the transaction created as an allocation from branch number 1 to the head office was already posted in the head office. In order to do that, we're going to use the Unposted Intercompany Transactions report. This report is going to be available under Finance, Financial Reports, and we're going to have the Unposted Intercompany Transactions. Because we want to find out if the transaction was posted in the head office, by pressing Tab, I'm going to be presented with a list of all companies that are using Intercompany. In my case, I want to find out about the transaction that should be posted in our head office. I'm going to select Head Office and Head Office. Once I run the report, the system is going to list all transactions, either journal vouchers or interbranch marketing documents that were not yet posted in my head office company. So as we can see here, we have an unposted marketing document, which is basically, it came from an AP invoice. My sender company was branch number 1 and is going to create an AR invoice document inside of my system. And we can see on the last column that the status of this document is pending. So now, if I go to my head office, I will be able to tell my user in my head office that a transaction should be posted inside of the system.